Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be telling you why you're trading options wrong, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
So there are two ways to trade. You can solve for win rate or you can solve for risk-adjusted returns. See, when you're solving for win rate, what you're really trying to do is you're trying to predict price. You're trying to come up with some predictive algorithm or whatever. And the truth is that you cannot predict what's going to happen in the future, particularly in the markets. It is a coin flip at best. When you try to predict and you think that you're developing some kind of strategy that's smarter than the market so that you can say, I know where it's going, the market's going to punish you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It is going to punish you. And the more you try, the more it's going to punish you. I know that you've seen this before. You've fallen into that trap. You've got onto the win rate bandwagon and you've had those tiny little wins, boom, while risking huge amounts of cash. And then eventually that risk hits you and it wipes out weeks of winners. This is the universal story that I hear from everybody. And the thing is, even if you set up a 5% or a 10% risk, the thing is, yeah, you're going to hit it eventually, but there's nothing stopping you from hitting it 2 or 3 times in a row. And that's the killer. And eventually that's going to happen. Even the one time, it dejects you and puts you into a psychological maelstrom where you start making bad decisions, you panic, you're filled with anxiety. And what do they tell you? They tell you, oh, you got to manage your risk, because managing your risk is so important because we're having you put on so much risk, you can't afford to get there. The win rate, they say, just lean on the win rate, knowing that you are going to eventually, it is inevitable that you're going to hit that risk and it's going to ruin you. It ruins everybody. 95% of all traders within 5 years are going to bust an account. That is an incredible, damning statistic. And so you're solving for the wrong thing. Win rate is not the answer. The answer is risk-adjusted returns. In other words, defining your risk and setting it so that from a probabilistic point of view, you are going to get certain sets of returns and a certain amount of winners and losers. And quite frankly, you probably won't like this right up front when you hear it because of you've been steeped in this idea of high win rate, that a proper win rate is around 50%. That's what it is. And that is realistic. The deal is that you just have to make sure that the losers on the 50% loser side are super small, and that the winners on the winning side are materially larger than the losers. That's it. That's all you have to do. And that keeps you in a good place, because when you're losing, it's not hurting so much because you make sure that those losers are really small. And when you're winning, you have to understand that there is a distribution of those winners, and it's going to look a certain way. And your ability to grab the larger side of that distribution will all come down to the proficiency with which you apply your daily routine and your continuous improvement process. And then those winners start becoming bigger and bigger, and they outshine the losers, and you get that classic bottom left, top right equity curve with very little drawdown. That's where it's at. Period. End of story.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.